Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to a new video. I am properly excited for today's video actually. Um I'll be talking about something that I am always very excited to talk about, wherever and whenever. If you're just seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is Melody. I am a lot of things. So I'm your coach. I'm still trying this entire thing, practicing this entire online thing, but I know that I have gotten a hang on a lot of things, and at this point I can boldly say that I'm your plug. I can help you if you are interested in building a business, starting a business, building a brand, attaining financial freedom. And also, I am that person you call if you need a social media manager. I am your plug. If you know someone who needs someone to manage their social media, I am here for you and the person and all of my potential customers that will have, and stuff. I'm also a digital marketer. I'm a content creator, and I coach people, on a lot of different things: affiliate marketing, mini importation, content creating, all that good stuff. Don't worry, I can even teach you how to edit, just in case you have money to pay for that one, because everything is about the money. You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it. So today I'll be talking about mini importation. This is one topic I am usually really, really excited to talk about a lot of the time. So if you're interested in learning the gist concerning mini importation, and you just need free information from somebody that has struggled. I mean, when I say struggled, I mean like I've gone through the thorns in the roses of mini importation. Like, I've been there. I have totally been there, and I understand how any beginner feels right now. And I am here. I'm here. I'm your fairy godmother of making money online. I am her. Alright, so today let's get into the video that we're going to talk about, just to ensure that my sister and my brother in my community make that money this year. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So guys, like I said, if you have not seen me before, my name is Melody. I'm Melody Matthew, founder and CEO of Carrot Empire. It is an online fashion, accessories, lifestyle, home and goodies, store. So I practically sell everything, which is not good for my health, but we're doing it just because of the money. Okay, we're doing it just because of the money. Don't forget to like this video, give this video a thumbs up, because I'm not going to tell you if you find it helpful, because I know that you're definitely going to find this video helpful. So give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment if there's anything I am going to say on this video that is unclear and all that. And also ensure to subscribe, because if you've not subscribed by now, I'm not going to blame you. I'm not going to say, oh, that. No, I won't blame you. But if I'm telling you now to subscribe and you haven't, okay, just subscribe. So let's not have any issues this new year. Just subscribe, okay? Go ahead and subscribe. I'm a sweet girl. How about? Let me leave that one. Let me leave that one for next time. But basically, this video is going to be in 3 series. So watch out for the 3 series of this video. So basically, I'll be going through the notes on my notepads and on my phone. So don't complain if you see me looking down. You can also hear me clearly, So let's get right into the video. Like I said, today we'll be talking about mini importation. So if you're interested in making money online via mini importation, this video is for you. And basically, I'm going to be talking about people who are interested in importation in Nigeria and Ghana. For other countries, I'm also going to give you like a worldwide view of everything I'm going to be talking about. But basically, mainly the things I'm going to be talking about are Nigeria and Ghana. or basically Nigeria, because that's where I am at right now. So I'm in Nigeria right now, so I'll be talking about everything in Nigeria, but I'm going to be giving you, all the juices from that are going to be available worldwide. So go ahead and stick to the end of this video. And also, I should not fail to mention that I'm going to be saying a lot of things in this first video as in the second one. So if you're watching this video, be prepared to watch the second one, because it's going to be fully packed. Both of them are going to be fully packed. And also, if you're watching this video, don't ask if you want to be skipping the video, because there are some vital information that I'm going to be sharing in between, because I'm going to, aside the fact that I'm going to be talking from my notes, I'm going to be, bringing in ideas here and there, because I have had these experiences, and so you don't expect me to just talk like a robot. I will talk mainly from experience, and so you need to just stick to the end of the video, through the video, just so that you get every single thing I'm going to be talking about. So we're going to be talking about mini importation from China for this first video. I'm going to be telling you about everything though, don't get me wrong, right? I'll be telling you about everything, but mainly I'm going to be concentrating on China for this one. It's your loss, if you're missing the video, because there are a lot of things I'm going to be talking about, basically from China, but I'm going to be incorporating other countries into this mini importation. So like I said, if you're going to skip this video, you're in a long thing. So mini importation is legit a nice business if you know how to do it. If you have someone who is willing to walk you through the entire process, it is a great business opportunity. I've tasted of that, and I know that it's great. I'm not going to say something that I've not profited from. I'm not going to try and tell you jargon just because I want to. I don't even know what I'm going to gain. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about, for those who have not heard, like at all, you've not heard about anything concerning mini importation, I'm going to be just listing out a number of things. So firstly, I'm going to be talking about the meaning of mini importation. I know that it might sound crazy for you to like come here and then you start hearing the meaning of mini importation. Like, why did you click if you did not know the meaning? But let's be honest, okay? People actually feel like mini importation is just there. Like, you just buy something, you sell. But at the end of the day, if you're trying to import something, like mini importation as per se, and then you're trying to create a business or start a business, and it's not working out for you, man, that's not mini importation. You're just doing personal shopping for yourself, because the essence of mini importation is to make profits on a good margin, just to make sure that you're not wasting your time. Because if you start doing mini importation, we have the money part and we have the time part. We have the part where you have to wait for your supplier, you have to keep chatting with your supplier, you have to keep talking to your agents, those who use agents, you have to keep talking to your shipping company. Like, even when it gets to Nigeria, the job is not done, you have to keep contacting them just to make sure that you don't hear story that touch and they say something, breeze blow, your goods fly inside sea. You don't want to hear all of that. So all of that is they say time is money, and which means if you are going to be spending your time and your money on mini importation, it has to be worth it. But if you know that, you just want to buy something and you want to lose, that's like for personal use. Because people that buy things, shop online, maybe you say Amazon, they shop on Amazon, they don't care about the profits. They want to wear their clothes that they buy, they want to use their candles that they buy, they want to use their clock, they want to use their furniture, whatever, they want to wear their shoes that they bought. So if you're talking about like actually doing mini importation, you have to talk about profits. You have to talk about a good margin of profits. We don't talk about loss on this page. We don't talk about loss. We don't talk about investments, not loss. Nobody's losing on this page, okay? So what is mini importation? Mini importation is a business model that allows someone from one country to buy things internationally, ship them to their country, sell them to make profits. I don't know if that makes sense. That's why I had to add the profit part, because people actually shop things. People buy things from international stores and they buy it for personal use. They buy it for family and friends. They just buy it, to keep. Whatever reason that people buy things, we that are mini importers or, aspiring mini importers, we buy things to sell, to make marginal profits, like good, legit profits, not 10 naira profit, not 20 naira, not 500 naira profits. No, we don't do that. We don't do that on this page. That's not how we roll on this. Okay, guys. So, what can you import from China? There are a list of things. Like, I can't even lie. There are a number of things you can import from China. So let me just start listing all of them. I don't want to list all of them from my head. We know the normal ones, the oversaturated, like oversaturated market, which is bag, shoe, what else? Gown. Those gowns. You know what I'm talking about. Those gowns that are all over the market. Every store on Instagram is selling the same gown. Those gowns. Okay. And there are a lot of other things you can actually import. So we're going to just be talking about that. That's little secrets. So if you're watching this video and you're trying to make up your mind, don't worry. Don't worry. You're on the right, channel. You are in the right place. You're in safe hands. You're going to make your decision because it's going to surprise you how many things you can actually import from China that can actually make mad profits. Okay, so let's get into it. You can import, like I said, bags. You can import shoes. You can import scarves. You can import gowns, clothes, men and women clothes, children shoes, everything about children, everything about an adult. You can actually import phone cases. You can import, like, this is not like China only. Like, these things I'm trying to say now is not like from China only. You can actually start importing gadgets, phones, laptops, you name it. You can import diffusers, you can import humidifiers, you can import cleansers. I don't even know. You can import plenty things. You can import everything. I don't know if they used to import human being, but I know that you can import plenty things. Okay, so let's talk about like some of the things that are on the list. You can import a car tracker. These are like serious high-end products that when you start selling, you're not just the normal seller on Instagram or the normal seller on, on your online platform on Facebook. You are a seller that has targeted audience. You're a seller that knows, that knows what you're trying to do. Because if you buy shoes, like I said, I'm going to be talking like randomly and collectively at the same time. If you buy shoes, you know that your audience or your customers are everywhere. Everybody wants to wear shoe. Everybody wants to hold a bag. Everybody wants to do one thing or the other concerning fashion. But then when you buy some of these things that I'm going to list, you know that you have specific people that you can sell it to, and then these people are 90% interested in what you're trying to sell. But if you're talking about maybe shoes and bags, there are a lot of people that sell shoes and bags. If you come with your own shoe and your bag, they might not even know the quality of the shoe and the bag, and then they will start pricing you careless, or they will see your price as outrageous. But then if you start selling some of these things I'm going to mention, nobody's going to see it as outrageous. They are going to be like, oh, so these things exist. This is actually possible to get in Nigeria. So let's just get into it. So you can get a car tracker. You can use to track your car. You can get a bicycle tracker, a bike tracker. They are like mini chips that you can just put on your bike or put in your car that you can access from your phone. You can access it from your phone. So whatever thing that some of these key trackers that are now around, it's like a key holder, but then you can track it from your phone. So if you misplace your key, you know where your keys are. So you can imagine a lot of the things that you can actually import. Like, it's crazy. A lot of people misplace their keys. A lot of people misplace their phones. So maybe it's not like somebody stole it or you just misplaced it in here. You can actually track where it's at. So let's get that out. So 2-in-1 tire inflator and vacuum cleaner. Like, have you seen a tire inflator before? It's so portable. Like, when you sell this tire inflator to somebody that owns a car, the person does not need to, be confused about going to a vulcanizer. That's what they call them. To go and pump their tire. They can pump their tire right in their houses. There's one product I actually sold. A car fault detector. It's crazy how nice this product actually is. Like, you can actually check if anything is wrong with your car from that thing. Like, it's this small, like this small. You can actually check if anything is wrong with your car with that particular product. And I'm like, when I saw it, I had to jump on it. I'm like, okay, I had to look for the reviews, and I saw that it was good. Like, I'm going to be teaching you how you can actually do some of these things. So seriously, stay through to this video, okay? Stay through, okay? I'm your plug. I'm not going to leave you stranded. I won't. I will continue till the end. Even if it means me doing a third video because of maybe the time, even if it means me doing a third video, I will update you that I've done a third video. Gaskia, don't worry. Okay, don't worry. So let's get into some of the other things. You can import beard oil, beard gang that year. Beard oil, like products that beard oils are products that have come in vogue. I don't know if they are still, around, but I know that a lot of people still use it. A lot of people are still selling it. There are brands that came up as beard oil brands, and then they are still selling. They are still making it big. They are still doing their thing, and they are still earning profits. Okay, so hair growth oil, that one can never go out of. It can never go out of vogue. It cannot. So wristwatch, exactly the same thing. Slimming tea. Some of these products don't cast, but I'm still going to say it anyway. So car scanner, yes, exactly. That's the product I'm talking about. A car scanner. It's a good product. Okay, it's a good product. I'm just going to be telling you a lot of the things that you can actually do, and there are a lot of things. Sincerely, let me not even lie. There are a lot of things I can't just say, like pack everything inside of, like, even if it's 5 videos I wanted to do, I can't pack everything inside of the 5 videos. So with that being said, I am going to be holding a premium class, like a premium one-on-one class, whatever it is. I'm going to be holding a premium class. If it's one-on-one you want, if you want to group, maybe some people are good at learning with groups, I'm going to arrange that for you. If you're good at learning one-on-one, I'm also going to be available for coaching you. So if you want to access my premium class, the link is in the description. You're just going to see premium class. You're going to see the course outline. So you're going to decide if you're interested in, following through with it or not. So let's just get into the rest of the things. Waist trainer. Yeah. You see this waist trainer thing? Let's be honest. I'm just going to be talking about, I've not even covered anything I have on my list, okay? Waist trainers are, I've imported waist trainers. You know how these things are. When the product is hot, you import it, you sell it, and then you start getting some terrible reviews. Let me not lie. Let me not even start lying. You start having some terrible reviews. So I'm not going to tell you that this product, it's perfect. When you want to buy something from China, you have to make sure that you are sure. My sister, make sure you are sure of what you're buying. My brother, make sure you are sure of what you're buying. So that's where I rest my case. I'm just going to tell you to check out my premium class, okay? Or check out the next video. Maybe I might steal something. Okay, so that's that. You can get power banks, yeah. You can get hair products. You can get hair. You can get conditioner, pins, clips, hair bands, other hair products. You can get jewelry, and I mean general importation from all the countries that I'm going to actually be listing. You can get all of these things. So you can get power banks, you can get screen magnifiers. You're just going to know what those things mean. When you sit on the screen, you can just write it down. So that's why you should have your pen and your book. You should write it down so that when you're done with these videos, like maybe the batches of videos I'm going to do, I don't know if it's 2 or 3, because now I'm even confused myself, because this is very, very long. I don't expect it to even be this long, but whether it's 2 or 3, you're going to just watch the videos, go ahead and write out some of these things that you feel like you want to search. If it's a question, go ahead and ask me. If it's something that you need to use Google, please use Google. Thank you.